Hello, guys. We are in Minnesota. For the years I've been living, this has to be the worst snow I'm able to remember. I'm constantly knocking out the power. It turns back on a couple seconds later. Yeah, you want to see outside? I mean, I'm shirtless and wet right now, but that bush never does that, so I mean, yeah, it's been snowing since about, well, the rain started turning into snow about 2, I would like to say. Quite impressed. You know, I might even catch the power flicker. Welcome to Minnesota, central Minnesota. Well, it's all foggy now, but yeah, I mean, it's life here. Phone's low battery, so I mean, too much weight on the lines, power shortages. Will it be permanent? Depends if the line snaps. Will it? Probably not. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I mean, honestly, I've never seen that bush do that, so I think I'm gonna go relieve the weight off it. Never seen that much snow. The trees in the back of our house. We live in a trailer park, so I mean, we live in a really old trailer. I personally think it's like 70s, 80s, maybe 90s. Now, I could be extremely wrong, but at the same time, we've only been here a couple years, and you see spots where they repaired the roof. I mean, does it surprise me? No. It really doesn't, actually. Am I mad about it? No reason to be mad about it. It's a house, it does its job. But what I was trying to say before I went into a monologue for no reason is snow dumped onto our back roof, which we have never had happen, and I just want to say, well, I mean, not enough where we heard it. I was sitting on that couch right there, and it sounded like thunder. Or lightning, or whatever the fuck. I get those two mixed up. And, yeah, honestly, I'm not that concerned about it. Obviously, it's not exactly the most normal, but after a couple winters without snow, it makes sense. I mean, luck had to run out sooner or later. Happens with everything and everyone. That's life. And it's meant to be a snowstorm, so that snow is definitely brewing up, and it's a storm. The only thing we're really worried about here is losing power for all night long, because with this storm it's going to be brutal, and we're basically living in a tin can, which means run the heat constantly, and if we don't do that, well, our house won't be much warmer than the outside, but it will protect us from the wind, which is always better. Will it be a pleasant sleep? No, but to be fair, I've had my naps camping that weren't very pleasant. For example, I was in a tent, and I was sleeping on an air mattress. I didn't put a blanket under me. I had the coldest. I was sweating, but I felt frozen. What was that? I think that was... Actually, I don't know. Now my jacket won't zip up because it's getting caught on something. But yeah. Oh, yeah, that's not good. It should zip up. It's not. Be right back. Let you know if I get it zipped. Okay. Wow. Scenic. Isn't it? Alright. Well, it's quite a bit brighter than you would expect here. Look at this. Oh my. Yeah, see how that just jumps right back up. Well, that broke off. I'm not quite sure what I was expecting from a thin branch. Wow, that's about 100 pounds. I mean, I'm not good at calculating the weight of snow because it's snow. That's heavy. Oh, it's on the side. It's crazy. Never think I've ever had a snow like this. Whew. Yeah, see? It's insane. It's cracking thick branches. So I think I'll just shake it from now on. We don't want to destroy a tree. Well, it's not really a tree. It's like a bush. Whoa! Look at that. Oh my God! It did break. What the fuck? See, now that was not me. This is kind of beautiful. And kind of fucked up. I suspect that's one of the trees that dumped on us. Phone's gonna get all wet. There we go. Lighten your load. That's the spell I cast. Load lightener. Pross. I might even be saving this tree right now. Or bush or whatever. Keep my phone away from us. Because look at how thick that. Holy shit. That's like one of the thickest fucking branches. Holy shit. Sure. Well, that's comforting. That's not. Alright. Well, this is Minnesota. Oh. Snow all over my phone. Well, I don't know what I was quite expecting there, but not that, to be honest. Let's go grab a stick from back here. Oh, even this tree's getting weighed down. Look at that. That's beautiful. Under here, it's mostly clean. Oh yeah, that tree. She's ready to dump. Just hours ago, just like maybe 4 hours ago, there wasn't any snow basically. Wow. I'm gonna watch her jump up. Okay, we didn't quite see it jump up because it's bent. But how the hell? I've never seen that happen in my years and years. This bush is old as fuck, but that branch was alive. And it just fucking snapped. God, I wonder how the roof is fucking feeling. Probably feels like a 90-year-old man with back problems. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yep. I mean, kind of fun, but Jesus, look at that. Crazy. How much snow. Fucking get on here, but Jesus, I'm honestly scared. That fucking branch over there had 0 snow 4 hours ago. because it was protected. You know what it isn't now? Fucking clean as snow. But it's still protected. See? We're meant to get like, what, 30 inches? But I think this bush is done for, I think. Snapping a branch that fucking big is actually scary. I mean, that could have been... I mean, it was overhanging, so... But still, I mean, it's not exactly a twig or something. You know, it's really thick. And it's just like, it's fucking gone now. It's been there for 6 years, 6 winters that I've known it. Am I mad that it's broken? A bit. Is that nature? Yes, yes it is. Can I control if it broke or not? No. It's not why I'm not fuming and yelling about it, because I mean, what happens like that. I mean, that's smaller though, so, and that branch was already dying. Who would have thought beating up a bush would save it from snow? Beat this up. Whoa. That immediately jumped up, and that was not almost touching ground earlier. So, watch this. Oh, immediately. Look at that. Monstrous snows. Let's go check. Probably just me. Let's go check what happened over here. Oh yeah. I'm sure it definitely did dump. What the? I mean, there's a branch up there, but I'm not seeing nothing, you know? You would think you'd see something, but I'm not. Well, I might have to make more videos tomorrow, but right now, it should be pitch fucking black, but the snow's illuminating it, so... Well, I mean, you can see city lights over there. You see Christmas lights, you can see it lighting up over that house. There's clear steps. Hey, Merry Christmas and Happy Thanksgiving.